Thanks for stopping by Gage's Garage. The repair, restoration of a 79 Triumph Spitfire to get it into a roadworthy, not so cream puff, but a drivable car. And hope you join me for the journey. Thank you now. I need to give a little background on this. Oh, about a month ago, I was doing some wiring hookup on the back, testing lights and such like that, and I decided to do a live test, so I hooked up the battery, turned the ignition on so it had power, and wanted to check the fuel gauge, make sure that was hooked up. After fiddling with it in the back for 3 or 4 minutes, I smelled something, looked up this entire area here. Flames were going about yay high. And after a WTF moment, grabbed the dry chemical fire extinguisher and started squirting away. And I'll have a walk around video after this intro, but it really changed my schedule for this summer. Really good. Yeah, thank you. Just a quick walk around to get an idea of what happened here. Right behind right below and behind the windshield wiper there on the driver's side appears to be where the fire was primarily located. You can see burn off there. Then walking around and see dashboard damage. I'll put some high def pictures at the end of this video, just so you can get an idea. Pretty well toasty, and it's dirty from the ABC fire extinguisher. And I will have my work cut out for me. Well, that'll finish up today's video, and I would like to thank you for stopping by. Also ask you to like, subscribe, click the bell thingy so you'll find out next episode when I drop it, and look forward to seeing you then. Thank you now.